Everyone, this is Chef Angelica. Here they are, my falafels. Does that not look amazing? They came out wonderfully, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside. They are baked, not fried. Look at that. Can you see that? That's great. They're kind of green inside from all the parsley and the spinach. Really lovely texture. But look at these bowls. Is that not beautiful? I have heirloom tomatoes of many colors. This is all organic, whole food veggies. Red radish. Look at that beautiful, crisp, fresh cucumber. So refreshing. I have my creamy garlic hummus beneath that. Lime squeeze, topped with green onion. And this is my green goddess sauce that came out amazing. Very herbaceous, creamy, thick to add a little bit of extra zestiness. Isn't that cool? I really love this dish. It's so beautiful. It's actually light but substantial. You could serve this for dinner, lunch, brunch, anytime. Please subscribe, like, and share so we can share the message of plant-based vegan. I just want everyone to eat healthy. If you